What do top brands like Nike, Starbucks, and H&M have in common?
They post consistently on social media every single day. Today, we're going to show you how to leverage AI tools like ChatGPT and InVideo to create a month's worth of content for your brand, without the need for script writing or video editing skills. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stick around for a bonus tip at the end.
Let's dive right in. The first step is to finalize 30 different ideas for your posts.
Break down your content into different categories to achieve goals like introducing your product, informing, engaging, inspiring, entertaining, and influencing your audience.
You can get inspiration from top brands in your niche.
For instance, if you're a skincare brand, look at how Rare Beauty structures their social media content. Once you have your categories, head over to ChatGPT to get real ideas. Remember to include key details about the platform, type of video, your products, and any specific details you want the AI to keep in mind.
After finalizing your ideas, it's time to write scripts for each of them using ChatGPT.
Provide the AI with details like the platform, type of video, length, tonality, and any additional details to make video creation easier.
Next, we'll use InVideo to turn those scripts into engaging videos. Select a template that suits your needs from their library. Don't stress about getting an exact match for your brand colors or fonts, you can edit those later. The next step is to customize the template. Replace placeholder text and media with your own. You can use InVideo's built-in stock library for lifestyle and application shots. Finally, let's change the music and make final adjustments. Choose from InVideo's library of royalty-free music to find the perfect background track. And voila! You have just created 30 days worth of social media content for your brand in a single day using AI tools. That's it from us today. Remember, consistent posting on social media can increase your revenue by up to 20%. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. See you in the next one.